If you've ever managed a team in the food and beverage industry, such as waiters, bartenders, kitchen staff, etc., you know how quickly things can get complicated. Between different delivery routes, event locations, and various communication tools, your operations can get out of sync pretty fast. That's what Connecteam was built for. It's a mobile-first workforce management app made for deskless teams, those who are always on the move between kitchens, warehouses, and restaurant floors. With it, you can handle time tracking, scheduling, HR tasks, and team communication all in one spot. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how Connecteam brings structure, clarity, and efficiency to the daily operations designed for the food and beverage industry. Connecteam creates a flawless system by organizing its features into three core sections, which they call hubs: the Operations Hub, Communications Hub, and HR and Skills Hub. Now, communication is often the biggest challenge for food service teams that don't share the same workspace. Connecteam aims to solve these roadblocks by centralizing everything into one streamlined system. Instead of having scattered messages about order changes on different apps, Connecteam brings all that communication under a single roof. The chat feature is where employees can instantly share delivery updates, photos of site setups, or proof of delivery files right from their mobile app. Another crucial part is the Updates feature, which allows team leads to make important announcements and, importantly, ensure they are actually seen. You can post company updates, food safety warnings, or updated health protocols to a central feed and then send them out to your mobile team using push notifications, making sure they are notified straight on their phone. Building on that strong communication, what comes next is their Operations Hub. This section is all about managing and monitoring employee operations out on the ground. The platform's features are designed to solve the real, everyday challenges of running a deskless food and beverage workforce. Let's take tracking work hours, for example, which often becomes a major pain point for catering crews and delivery staff. Connecteam looks to eliminate that hassle with a built-in time clock. This allows employees to easily clock in and out from their mobile device the moment they arrive at a delivery drop-off or event venue. It even includes location verification using GPS to make sure employees can only clock in and out on site, removing time theft or buddy punching. A really helpful aspect is that you can export those timesheets straight to top payroll providers like ADP and Paychex. And to help you stay on top of labor laws, they've included automated overtime calculations, break tracking for long shifts, and even real-time alerts for compliance issues. Scheduling is another common bottleneck in food logistics, and Connecteam works to avoid overlaps. Managers can assign shifts precisely, avoid conflicts by taking employee PTO and unavailability into account, and maintain fairness across their mobile teams. They even have an AI-powered scheduling feature that can instantly assign shifts while considering delivery availability, specific roles, fairness, and qualifications with expert precision within a matter of seconds. And for those times when unexpected catering requests or urgent restocking tasks come up, a feature called Quick Tasks allows supervisors to assign and track them instantly. Managers get a real-time overview of everything happening across all their service locations. Now, in any food and beverage organization, and especially one with a deskless workforce, employee engagement and HR tasks can become really tough challenges. This is exactly where Connecteam's HR and Skills Hub tries to make a real difference. Their courses feature, for example, helps turn onboarding and upskilling into a continuous flow. The platform lets you track employee progress on topics like food handling or customer service, and offers ready-to-use mobile-friendly formats so employees can learn on the go straight from their mobile phones. They also address employee engagement with recognition tools like rewards and celebrations. This tackles one of the biggest issues in field teams by acknowledging milestones and contributions publicly. Time-off management is another area that gets simplified. It replaces messy manual tracking with an automated, transparent system, which helps prevent scheduling clashes during busy peak seasons and reduces unnecessary stress. And recently, Connecteam has taken a major leap forward by adding AI to its feature lineup. This includes features like the AI Agent, which lets employees get instant answers about recipe specs or safety manuals without having to search through physical documents based on information you upload into the knowledge base for instant and accurate answers. We already mentioned the AI-powered scheduling, which optimizes delivery shifts automatically, but there's also an AI course creator that generates training content and safety quizzes in seconds. They also have file-to-form automation, which converts paper invoices into ready-to-use digital forms, and smart voice input, which lets drivers fill out delivery reports hands-free. On top of that, they have AI updates and translate, which ensures that safety messages reach multilingual teams in their preferred language. Now, Connecteam's mobile app gives both employees and managers everything they need right from their smartphones. It provides a full-featured mobile-first experience, which allows teams to track time, manage job schedules, communicate instantly, and even handle HR tasks all from one app. This means employees can stay connected, share site updates in real time, and complete tasks efficiently. From submitting hygiene reports to checking schedule updates or managing time off, everything happens seamlessly right in the palm of your hand. This helps mobile operations stay smooth, allows communication to flow effortlessly, and keeps employees engaged and productive. Now, you might be thinking that with so many features, Connecteam must cost a lot, but when you look at their plans, you'll find there's something for everyone. They even offer a free plan for businesses with up to 10 users. Whether you're a small local catering business or a larger distribution company, it offers specific tiers with individual pricing. And the best part is that Connecteam doesn't ask you to commit immediately. They give you a 14-day free trial with no credit card required. This lets you explore all the features at your own pace and really see how the platform works for your mobile crew before you have to make any decisions. So, based on its pricing and the free offerings, Connecteam seems to be a definite choice for small and mid-sized food and beverage businesses. If you want to streamline your workforce management with one single platform, we'd say Connecteam is worth trying out. Check the link in the description to explore its features for yourself, or you can do it right now by scanning this QR code. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching.